Much thankful to all of you for your kind presence here and coming in such a good gathering in a not only in time but rather before the time. I'm also especially thankful to our guest of honor, especially Sri Asit Singh Ji, IAS officer and PS2 Ministry of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Corporate Affairs, who has been kind enough in accepting my invitation for today's program for the lighting of the lamp. I'm really very much thankful to you, sir, for your kind consent and coming right before the time. And I request all of you to kindly welcome Mr. Asit Singh by clapping the hands. I also very much thankful to our past president, Sri Amarjit Chopra ji, who has been kind enough in giving his consent for keynote address of today's program, that is the challenges and opportunities in CA profession. There can't be none other best person for this address other than the former president Sri Amarjit Chopra. He needs no introduction. We all know he is a most likely president of our institute. He has got the highest vote while in the recent Central Council elections. He has set a record in the whole country, rather not only in the northern region. So we are very much thankful to him, and I can assure you that with his kind presence, this program is certainly going to be highly benefited for all of us. He knows all the ins and outs of the profession. He is the most fitted person to explain it in detail, what are the challenges and how we can convert all those challenges into opportunities. He is the best man for this topic. So we are very much thankful to you, sir, for your kind presence here. We are also very much thankful to another guest speaker for the day, Sri Rajesh Agarwal. He is a well-known personality. He is a great motivational trainer as well as a speaker. And I am really very much thankful to him for his kind, timely presence in today's program. He has written a good book also, 7 Steps for Success, Safalta Ke Saath Niyam. And he has been got awarded in 2006 by the Delhi government also, and he has delivered large number of motivational seminars, conference programs, not only in India but abroad also. We are indeed very much thankful to you, sir, for your kind presence as well as for your kind consent for today's program. I am indeed very much thankful and welcoming to our Sri Pranav Mishra ji also. I think Mr. Pranav Mishra has come or not? Yes, Mr. Mishra. We are delaying this program for some time just because of his presence, because it was scheduled that he will be here by 6:30, but I don't know what was the reason. He has delayed just for 15-20 minutes. And he is the Vice President of ICICI Prudential, and they are kind enough for their kind presence here. He has also supported us in organizing this program today. He is Vice President of ICICI Prudential. Now, without taking much of your time, we just want to proceed ahead, and I request our guest of honor, Chief Guest Sri Asit Singh Ji, to kindly come to the dais along with Sri Amarjit Chopra Ji, Sri Rajesh Agarwal Ji, and our past Chairman of Northern India Regional Council, Sri Sudhir Agarwal Ji. His kind presence is also very welcome. I am indeed very much thankful to Mr. Sudhir Agarwal. He is the founder, convener of Patparganj Study Circle also. He has organized large number of programs for the professional brothers in the East Delhi. I am really very much thankful for your kind presence, and I heartily welcome you for your kind presence. Now I request Sri Asit Singh Ji, and I request all others, our guest of honors, Sri Pranav Mishra Ji, Sri Sudhir Agarwal Ji, Sri Asit Singh Ji, Rajesh Ji, kindly come to the dais for the lighting of the lamp. Sri Ashok Goel Ji, Yoga, He is our advisor to the Professional Times Advisory Board. And friends, I would like to share here that Sri Amarjit Chopra ji is also Chairman Advisory Board of our Professional Times Welfare Society. Because of his motivation and because of his support only, I could proceed ahead in this manner for these programs. I also request our other senior members to kindly come to the Mr. R.C.